Hi, I'm Chip Elmblad, Storage Solution Architect at IBM, here to demonstrate the XIV Storage System Graphical User Interface. The game-changing XIV GUI now takes simplicity and speed to a new dimension, with integrated, single-pane storage management and health monitoring across multiple XIV systems and sites, supporting your growth and cloud needs. With XIV, storage administration is so surprisingly simple and fast, you or your teams are likely to spend much less time managing storage and more on productive projects. In this demo, we'll start by monitoring storage in an existing environment. We'll then provision storage in no time, use snapshots, configure mirroring, and wrap up with some storage system statistics and trend analyses. Let's get started by monitoring some systems already in use. Just a quick login. In this environment, which has over 30 XIV systems, we see the 27 that we have access to. This view visually aggregates all systems at a high level, presenting health, performance, and capacity information. Administrators can spot at a glance if all components are functioning normally, and easily drill down to view the components. Using the system selector, we can filter by specific machines. Enter the character string of the machines you want to filter on. The autocomplete search function locates all the XIV systems that contain our text, in this case, NAS. For targeted access, we can also narrow down to the systems we want to monitor. So here we will select these two groups, VMware ESX and NAS. 16 machines in all. Until we change our filter selection, all the views display in this convenient context that we selected. In this case, two groups and their systems. Now, let's monitor our enterprise using additional filtering criteria. How about if we want to view just the pools that have reached capacity? We select View, then Monitor, then Alerts. In the filter field, we'll enter Full. Here are our pools that have full alerts. Based on our system utilization, we can decide whether we want to redistribute storage among pools or need more storage. By the way, the filter function, available throughout the XIV GUI, distills by host, volume, pool, and other elements for pinpoint access to just the information needed. We'll see another example later. So, to help us decide whether we have capacity on other pools, let's locate the storage pools with the most space available. We'll go to Storage Pools. Here at our fingertips are the pools, displaying visually the capacity available and used, both physical and virtual, and sorted from highest to lowest capacity or lowest to highest. Returning to our connectivity view of systems, we'll view just the VMware ESX group, which contains 12 systems. Each system displays its individual I/O per second. When standing on the capacity status bar, individual system capacities display. The status bar shows us aggregate capacity of all systems in the ESX context. We're currently at 74% soft capacity, with about 1.5 petabytes of storage used from a total of over 2 petabytes. We can also choose to monitor other indicators, such as system status, and see that Moon is operating under full internal redundancy. Here is Moon's utilization. Now let's return to IOPS. It is so easy to monitor enterprise information top-down at a glance. Here are the combined and individual I/Os per second across our selected systems. Standing on the system status bar alert, we see the highest priority alerts. By selecting More, we can instantly expand to display all alerts for the XIV systems in our context. Let's drill down on this system to see what's going on. Double-click to launch the detailed system view to examine individual module health. One module has failed, but no worries. The system as a whole is operating fine with full redundancy. Now let's go to another view, the list view. We're back to our enterprise-wide view of 27 systems. The list view presents a cross-system summary of all XIV storage we are authorized to see. Systems can sort by enterprise group, volume size, IOPS, etc. Here is the tile view, which shows basic system information in an easy-to-interpret graphic display at a glance. for handy drill down and rollover detail. Now let's look at the power and ease of configuring multiple systems. Not only can it save time and help standardize operations, it can also prevent those "oh no" errors. So let's make a multi-system change to our application storage. Let's change the pool alert thresholds to notify us sooner if we are running tight on pool space. Under System, select System Settings. We'll look at our pool alert threshold definitions. Since these targets work for us, we want to apply them to our other pools as well. We'll copy System Configuration. Select our ESX group, right-click, and paste Pool Alert Thresholds. The XIV system simply pastes the values to apply them. Again, this across-the-board change takes place only within the system selected, in context. We'll get back to monitoring and view statistics later in the demo, after we provision storage. Let's look at how we can provision storage in practically no time. Let's look at how we can provision storage in practically no time. We'll start with storage pools, which are dynamic, virtual buckets of storage that we can resize on the fly. Let's create a pool here. We'll add it to the Moon system. We'll give it 10 terabytes of space and a terabyte of snapshot space and call it app_pool. Again, XIV pools are completely dynamic and easily configurable on the fly. Now we'll add a volume to our. Let's look at how we can provision storage in practically no time. We'll start with storage pools, which are dynamic, virtual buckets of storage that we can resize on the fly. Let's create a pool here. We'll add it to the Moon system. We'll give it 10 terabytes of space and a terabyte of snapshot space and call it app_pool. Again, XIV pools are completely dynamic and easily configurable on the fly. Now we'll add a volume to our pool, giving it 100 gig of space and naming it CEC1_LUN01. Going to Volumes and Snapshots, here's our volume. Right-click and select Map Selected Volumes. In this drop-down, we can select any host in our context. Let's look at our volumes by host. Here's the volume we just mapped. That's it. It's as simple as can be to provision XIV storage. Now let's work with snapshots.